Hey everyone, this is Sam Key with the Gray Group at Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here today at our great new listing at 11104 Lighter Drive here in Northport, Alabama on Lake Tuscaloosa. Let's go check it out. Some of the cool things about this house, it sits on just under 3 acres. It's also got a full pool and pool house at the front of the property, along with a 3-car garage. And then the house is 5-bed, 3-bath, just over 4,400 square feet. And to top it off, you've got this great screened-in back porch overlooking Lake Tuscaloosa. If you want to come check out this awesome property, give me, Sam Key with the Gray Group at Keller Williams Realty, a call at 205-412-1333, and we'll go check it out.